We have a specialist staff, basically, which begins with myself, boarded in terms of surgery, vascular surgery, cardiovascular surgery, phlebology, and also in wound care. My expertise tends to be sort of wide-ranging in terms of being able to treat leg problems. Associated with me is my PA, physician's assistant. He has been with me for several years, and before that was with a team of vascular surgeons. And before that, he was with me when I was full-time at Long Island Jewish Hospital doing cardiac surgery. He was part of the team over there. He's also very experienced in terms of cardiovascular disease, again, both in terms of the arterial system and the venous system. We also have a nurse who is dedicated to what we're doing. Everybody here is really dedicated towards the specialty, which is vascular disease. Office manager and the other staff. We have RVTs, that's registered vascular technologists, who do the tests. We usually work also with an RVT when we're doing our endovascular laser procedures. It makes everything flow very well. We also have anesthesiologists to give conscious sedation. So we do a combination of local anesthesia and conscious sedation, depending on the patient's wish, so that there is no discomfort, essentially. We've had many compliments about our staff.